Yo bros, what's up? How's it going? It's been a while. So tonight I'm gonna show you how to make a spicy hot pot at your home. Alright guys, so for the hot pot, what is the most important thing? Is the soup base, of course. So there are many different types of soup bases you can find. Any of these would work. And of course today we're gonna use the king of all hot pots, this the best soup base. All right guys, so basically you can put anything in the hot pot. Vegetables, crab sticks. Also this is really good, the sliced beef. It's amazing. You can get it also in any Asian store. It's so good. For soup base we add some chilies because we like it spicy. We're gonna add some water, and yeah, we're gonna heat it up and just add all your ingredients there and fish it out, and it's gonna be super tasty, guys. I really recommend you to try it. So the soup base is ready and boiling, and now we just add our ingredients, anything you like. So some crab sticks, some tofu skin, some needle mushroom, some sliced beef, which is so tasty. And yeah guys, so basically that's it. It's pretty easy, and you can get any soup base I showed you guys. And yeah, you have to try this, guys, at home. It's amazing, really tasty. You can have a dipping sauce of your liking. And yeah guys, so try it out and let me know in the comment section if you like it or not. And yeah, enjoy.